In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Postgresql SQL in VS Code. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get the PostgreSQL tools set up inside Visual Studio Code so you can work with your databases without leaving your editor. We'll keep things simple and focused, moving from opening VS Code to installing the right extension that enables SQL editing and execution for PostgreSQL. Start by opening Visual Studio Code on your computer. If you haven't launched it in a while, it's a good idea to make sure you're on a recent version so extensions work smoothly. When VS Code opens, take a quick look at the left-hand activity bar. That's where we'll access everything we need. You'll also want your internet connection active because we're about to fetch an extension from the marketplace. Next, head to the Extensions view. You can click the square icon on the left sidebar labeled Extensions, or use the shortcut if you prefer, which opens the same panel. This is the built-in marketplace where you can search for tools that add new capabilities to VS Code. At the top of this view, you'll see a search bar that lets you find exactly what you need. In the search box, type PostgreSQL. You'll see several results, often from different publishers. Look for a well-supported PostgreSQL extension with strong reviews and regular updates. Reading the description is helpful. It should mention features like connecting to a database, browsing tables, and running SQL queries directly in the editor. Verifying the publisher and checking ratings is a simple way to avoid installing the wrong tool. If you're on a corporate or managed device, make sure extensions are permitted by your organization's policies. Once you've identified the PostgreSQL extension you want, click Install. VS Code will download and set it up automatically. Depending on your system and network speed, this may take a moment. You might be prompted to reload the window when the installation completes. If you see that option, go ahead and confirm so the extension can activate properly. After it's installed, you'll typically notice a PostgreSQL section in the sidebar, or new commands available in the command palette. From there, you'll be able to open .sql files, benefit from rich SQL syntax highlighting, and use the extensions run and explore features designed for PostgreSQL workflows. If anything seems off after installation, a quick reload of VS Code often helps, and checking the extension's output or its documentation can pinpoint issues fast. That's it. Your editor is now ready for PostgreSQL Sql work, all from within VS Code.